The difference between a brand and a creator is consistency. If you want to look like a brand, you need to be consistent with how you look. In today's video, which is the episode 3 of the 5-episode series called How to Create Content So Fast It Feels Unfair, I'm going to show you how to create on-brand posts in minutes with everything that we've learned so far, plus a little bit more. Let's get into it. So if you remember from the episode 1, we got a bunch of different variations of that viral post. So we have yet another list here, which we can copy like this, and then we can start a new design. We can just add a title, 7 websites that feel illegal to know. We can add a little bit of body text and then copy what the Gemini generated here. Of course, we are gonna make it way smaller so it fits here. And then, as we said previously, we can do call to action, say this to try them for free. Now we have yet another post. Took us literally 2 minutes. I have literally the timer here on the recording software, so it took us 2 minutes to create this post. Now, to make it branded, we're gonna go to brands. We're gonna do my brand, which is Alex Marketing. We're gonna pick font. We're gonna pick color palette. We're gonna click this one button, apply brand. Boom, it applies it like this or like this. It can change it up. You can apply it a few times to see like what you like the most. I personally like it with the darker background. We can do a little bit of purple, and that's it. We have a branded post. Now, what's also important with this post is that when you create this, maybe you want a more interesting background. You want to also have on-brand background. So what we're going to do is go to generative AI, generate image, then we're gonna generate it in a portrait mode, and then we're gonna paste this prompt. This is also gonna be included in the description below so you can use it. Click generate. What I like personally is that Firefly is very fast, so I use a lot of different AI tools. It's extremely fast, and because of that prompt, it keeps it brand consistent, which is just insane. And then we can just make it larger so it fits the background. Make sure to send it to the back, and then we can lower the opacity, and look how beautiful that looks. It's just insane, and it took us a few minutes. So now, in just a few minutes, we have from zero to fully branded post like this. And remember what we said, you can always go to resize, then we're gonna click on all of this: LinkedIn posts, Square, Google, Facebook posts, mobile video, and then duplicate and resize, and look at this. Again, literally 9 different branded posts in minutes. And this is just from the post 2 that we got from the Gemini. Just imagine what you can do with multiple posts. Now, in episode 5, I'm gonna show you an incredible tactic that you need to use if you're a consistent social media creator, which will 100x everything that we are doing here. This is just a preparation, but you need to know how to do this in order to stay consistent across all social media. In today's video, I showed you how to create on-brand posts with all of the techniques that I showed and proved that it takes just a few minutes. Just so you can see that I'm actually, doing what I'm preaching here, I want to show you what I'm doing. So I post a bunch of different posts, but many of them have a consistent aesthetic. You can see something that I consistently pull off. List post, this is created the same way. The only difference is it has these icons. Then we have another list kind of post. Then we have again another list post. The only difference with what I'm showing you here is that it's me in the background, but it's the same thing, I just maybe mixed up the colors a little bit, but it's the same thing. The point is, I'm actually using what I'm preaching here, and I'm posting 3 times per day on 8 social media, getting over 50 million views across all social media every single month. So trust me that all of these techniques that I'm showing you are little parts of a bigger system which you can actually use to produce a lot of content every single day. when you first start Adobe Express, again, I'm gonna say it, go to brands and make sure to create a brand, your brand with your cores and everything, so it's easy to stay consistent. And as you can see, since the first episode, I'm literally filming this for like 20-30 minutes. We have 9 posts here and we have 10 posts here. So we have almost 20 posts, 20 different posts that we can post all over social media. Each one of these posts will work for us and it will create views for us, and it will lead viewers to our offers, and it will get us followers. It took us less than 1 minute per post to create. If that's not insane, I don't know what it is. You now have a template system that you can reuse forever, over and over again, and test out a lot of content very quickly. In the next episode, we're gonna come back to those reels and videos that we created, and we're gonna adjust them just a little bit with Adobe Firefly in order to make them more animated, lively. They're gonna grab much more attention. So make sure to watch the next episode. If you haven't already, watch the last 2 episodes. Everything will make even more sense. Other than that, if you liked the video, make sure to like it, save it somewhere. It's gonna save you time. And until next one, see you.